are the jewels of the wild, colourful birds whose feathers shimmer like living rainbows. For them, the early hours are not just about survival, but also about play. Play strengthens their wings, sharpens their instincts, and builds bonds that last a lifetime. But high above the forest floor, another story unfolds. In these delicate nests, new life waits patiently. These chicks rely entirely on their parents for warmth, for protection, and for food. Every return brings nourishment and reassurance. It's a delicate balance, ensuring each chick grows strong enough to one day take to the skies. Even in the midst of responsibility, there is time for joy. Bathing, singing, and playful flights are all part of their daily rhythm. Birds hop from branch to branch, calling to each other in cheerful tones. But life in the wild is never without danger. Vigilance is constant. Every sound, every movement matters. With each passing day, the chicks grow stronger. Soon they will begin to learn the most important skill of all: how to fly. As evening falls, the forest quiets. The songs soften and the vibrant flyers return to rest. In the safety of the nest, the next generation dreams of wings, of sky, and of the endless freedom above. In this colourful world, every day is a story of life, love, and survival, written in feathers, carried on the wind.